How to view a private Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually view a private Instagram account, and we'll discuss whether or not it is quite possible or not, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to go ahead and then basically view private account on Instagram, right? Let's say there are some of the private accounts on Instagram and that you would like to go ahead and then search for them. Now even if it is new update, Instagram is also known for their privacy reasons, and hence there is no way as a normal user you can actually follow them and see all of their posts. Aside from the profile picture, you can't really just see anything. But one thing that you can do is you can actually create a dummy account. Instead of following them from a main account, let's say it is one of your ex and you don't want to follow them from your main account because they're going to recognize it, you can basically create a fake account that includes someone else's name or maybe some type of dummy account that you might have, and then try to at least request to follow them, and they might hopefully actually accept the request without letting them know that it is you, but it's someone dummy account who's following them. So that way you can actually find out. Other than that, there is no way around, no third-party tools or site that is going to help you, because Instagram is also really secure when it really comes to this. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.